Those of you that watch this channel on a regular basis will no doubt have noticed that I've developed a bit of a weird addiction to these Akielo wallets. I started off with just an Alpha, but have since bought the Bravo as well, because I just think it's quite useful to have two, and the Bravo was on offer at the time, as these things frequently are. And to be honest, I have turned it into my main wallet. I use it every day now, alongside the Alpha, admittedly, but it's the one that I go to on a regular basis because I just think it looks that bit nicer. My main complaint with the Alpha was the fact that it had this plastic trigger switch on the bottom of it that you use to pop your cards up, and whilst it's a cool mechanism to have, and it definitely, you know, shocks people at a checkout if that's what you're really going for, it's very stiff, and having the plastic on show I think just doesn't look that good. When they've put so much time and effort into designing a nice leather wallet, having that plastic mechanism at the bottom just puts me off a bit. On the contrary to that, the Bravo edition just has this thumb groove in it, which you sort of slide your thumb into it and your main card slides out, which I find really useful. It's got 6 card slots on it, which to be honest for me is more or less enough for the cards that I use on a regular basis. So I have my main card in the main card section, and then 2 cards that I also use on an almost daily basis. And then on the rear side I have my 3 sort of additional cards that I don't always use but still have enough reason to carry them around with me. It also has these 2 side pockets, which are really useful for carrying a driver's license, some additional cards, you know, gift cards, voucher cards, that kind of thing. Or in my case, I keep Nectar vouchers in there 90% of the time. Lastly, it's got this sort of centre pocket in it, which as much as I'm trying to escape from cash, I do still keep. Well, I'm holding it at the moment. I've got 25 quid in there. It's the sort of thing that you carry on a daily basis just in case you get somewhere that doesn't accept a card or Android Pay and you have to pull out cash. So it is useful that it still has that, even though I find myself barely ever using it these days. As with anything else that you're going to carry on a daily basis, I think it's really important how these things are made. And like with the Alpha, I don't know whether you've watched my original video on that. Initially, I was worried that some of the stitchings would fray and I'd end up with the wallet sort of sagging oddly and whatnot. But in exactly the same as with the Alpha, this Bravo has proven to be actually really well made. I don't baby my wallets at all, they are thrown around, and to be honest I think that's the way that a wallet should be used, but this has held up really, really well. I've had it for about 3 months now, and it's been in daily use obviously, and there's not a single mark on it. It's held up fantastically. To be honest, I think it might have held up better than the Alpha, which is sort of beginning to show some marks, which to be honest I quite like, but this looks as good as it did when I first bought it. So there we go, that is another look at one of Akielo's products. To be honest, the next time you see me will probably be because I bought another one. Like I say, I really do like using them. They work really well and look really nice. So yeah, that is all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.